Hi there, everyone. Today we will be talking about percentages. What is a percentage? Percent means per 100, written with the 0/0 sign. 50% means 50 out of 100. Percentages are a way to compare parts of a whole. They are useful for measuring change like growth or discounts. Percentages as fractions and decimals. 50% is 50 out of 100, which is 0.5. 25% is 25 out of 100, which is 0.25. 75% is equal to 75 out of 100, which is 0.75. Fractions and decimals can be quickly changed to percentages. This helps in exams because you can choose the easiest form to work with. Converting fractions to percentages makes it easy to compare. Multiply the fraction by 100. Example, 3/4 or 3/4 is equal to 0.75 times 100, which is equal to 75%. Always simplify the fraction first if possible. The numerator or the top number divided by the denominator or the bottom number. For example, if the numerator is 8 and the denominator is 12, you can simplify this to 2/3, 2/3, before multiplying it by 100. 2 divided by 3 is 0.66 times 100 is equal to 66%. Converting decimals to percentages. Multiply the decimal by 100 and add the percentage sign. So 0.2 times 100 is equal to 20%. Moving the decimal point 2 spaces to the right is the same as multiplying by 100. So multiply the decimal by 100 and add the percentage sign. For example, 0.75 multiplied by 100, move the decimal 2 places, is 75. So 0.75 times 100 is equal to 75%. This is useful when reading test scores or financial data. Finding a percentage of a number. Multiply the number by the percentage as a decimal. 20% of 50 is equal to 0.2 times 50, which is equal to 10. Always change the percentage into decimal form first. 25% is equal to 25 divided by 100, which is equal to 0.25. This skill is important for calculating prices, salaries, or marks. Increasing by a percentage. Find the percentage amount and add it to the original number. For example, increase 200 by 10%. 10% of 200 is equal to 10 over 100 times 200, which is the same as 1 over 10 times 200, which is equal to 20. Then 200 plus 20 is equal to 220. Increasing by a percentage. Example, Offense was paid 10% more than Precious. Precious was paid 200 Rand. How much was Offense paid? 10% of 200, which is equal to 0.10 times 200, is equal to 20. 200 plus 20 is equal to 220. Offense was paid 220 rand. Decreasing by a percentage. Find the percentage amount and subtract it from the original number. For example, decrease 150 by 20%. 20% of 150 is equal to 20 over 100 times 150. This is the same as 2 over 10 times 150, which is equal to 2 times 15, which is 30. 150 minus 30 is equal to 120. Decreasing by a percentage. Example: Precious got a 20% discount on the dress. The dress cost 150 rand. How much did Precious pay? 20% of 150 is equal to 0.20 times 150, which is equal to 30. 150 minus 30 is equal to 120. Therefore, Precious paid 120 rand. Real-life uses of percentages include discounts in shops, test scores, interest on savings, sports statistics, price changes in food and fuel, understanding news reports about economy or inflation. Let's summarize the important points. Percentage means out of 100. You can convert between percentage, fraction, and decimal. Percentages are used in shopping, banking, and daily life. Percentages are important for both exams and real-world money decisions. Some quick tips. Always change percentage to decimal or fraction before calculation. Double check your place value. Use mental maths for easy percentages like 10%, 50%, 25%. Remember, 1% is the same as dividing by 100. Now you are a percentages master. Don't forget to memorize all the rules. Well done, everyone.